Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to see your first liked post on Instagram. Firstly guys, what you need to do, just simply go to your Instagram application and then go for your profile section by typing on your profile photo. Now what you need to do, just simply go to the three dots on your right upper side and choose settings. Then as you can see, you have on your upper side a search box. You need to click on it, and here you need to type for manage likes. Here as you can see on the second one, and now you need to wait for loading to this main page. And what you need to do next, as you can see, all posts that you have liked are just selected newest to oldest. We need to get a different way for selecting. We need to go for sort and filters on my right upper side, and on the sort by I need to click on it and go for oldest to newest. Now I need to go for apply and I need to wait. And here guys, as you can see, if I open up for example this photo, as you can see, this is the photo that I have liked first on this session. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.